Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. I'm laughing because I am doing this makeup look for you guys. A very simple makeup look, but then I realized my camera was not rolling and I'm hearing this beep and I'm thinking, what the hell is that? But then when I checked, my camera was not on. Anywho, so I'm just redoing this again, but I did not get too far. Let me just show you what I've done so far. This is a Marcelle dark brown eyebrow pencil. This is the palette here, Smart Cookie palette, SheGlam palette from Shein. And I just use this very, very light color on the hood of my eyes. And then this is the Hard Candy quad palette, and this shimmer color in the middle. You guys have seen this before. That's on the lid of my eyes. And then I was actually looking for my lashes, but then my lashes was on the bathroom floor. Don't ask me how I got there. So it was a whole mess. This is not the way I wanted to start this year. I swear to you guys. Anywho, let's continue this makeup look, and I have no idea how this is going to turn out because it was a very rough start. So anyways, so we're moving on right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using this Lift and Brighten stick from Doll 10 Cosmetics. Here it be. And this is going to give your eyes a nice little lift. And here it is. It's my first time using this today. This is one of my newest makeup product. So we just go, oh my God, it feels nice and cool. So we are just going to roll this under the eyes. This feels really nice and cool on the skin. So it gives your eyes a nice little lift. So we're just going to basically almost roll this in, but we're going to do it up. Okay? So now I'm going to be using my color corrector. This is from e.l.f. And we're just going to be doing some color correcting. We're just going to put it wherever we want on the face. And that's probably a little bit too much, but that's okay. And I'm going to use a beauty blender, and we're just going to blend this out. And so then I'm going to go in with my Catrice Keep It Matte primer. I'm going to put a little bit of this in the center, just places where I know I'm going to probably shine. And we're just going to blend using the same beauty blender. So now that I found my lashes, I'm going to be putting my lashes on last. Here I am looking all over the place for this one lash, and I thought, where the hell did that go? And I just went to the bathroom, and there it was, sitting on the bathroom floor. I'm thinking, what the hell is going on? Okay, so this is my L'Oreal Paris True foundation, and you guys would have seen this before. And the name of this foundation is going to be in the description box for you guys. And I feel like I need a brush for this one. This is my Sephora foundation brush. Oh my God, I've had this brush for so many years. This brush traveled with me to London, came back to Canada, traveled back to London, came back to Canada. It traveled a lot. So we're just going to use this today. And I think it's just slightly darker than my skin. Just want to make sure that my camera is recording. So we are just going to blend right now. Have you guys ever had that before where your friends come to visit and they just sit there staring at you doing a video. It is so much fun. I've got an amazing friends, so they don't mind me sitting here doing a video and having them watch. It's no big deal. So loving this foundation, blends nicely with my skin. I'm just going to put a little bit more. I think I want this under the eyes a little bit. And while I'm doing all of this, I'm actually thinking whether or not I should go in with concealers. I feel like I don't really like concealers that much anymore, because I feel like the less I put on my face, you know, the better for me. I love this brush to put my foundation on. Oh my god. When I was doing my declutter, I found this brush. I was like, oh my god, I cannot throw this out. So this blends nicely onto my skin. And I think I'm going to go in with a little concealer today, just a little. And this concealer is from e.l.f. And I just want to brighten up under my eyes a little bit. And yes, I'm going to use the same brush. I don't want too much of this under my eyes. I am going to use my Loreal setting powder, and I'm just going to tap a little bit of this under my eyes. Not too much. Just to brighten up under my eyes just a little bit. And there we go. So I'm going in now with my NC47 powder from MAC. I don't have any new makeup, because since my skin has been cleared up, I didn't really shop for any new makeup at all. Everything that I'm actually using is what I've already had in my collection. I've decluttered and I've kept a few things. That looks fine. So I'm going in here with my blush from Inglot. You guys would have seen this many times. Just a little bit of this on my cheeks. I love this blush. Great for dark skin tones. It looks so pretty. Just a little blush to highlight my cheeks. And if I feel like that is a little bit too bright, I just powder that down. That looks all right. So I'm going to go in now with my hydrating lip balm. This is from Dalton Cosmetics. And of course, first time using this today. I know it looks really weird, but we're going to fix that with a lip liner. After all, it is a lip balm. But we are going to go in with a lip liner from MAC. Looks better, doesn't it? That looks absolutely beautiful. This is Chestnut from MAC. Okay, so just give me a minute, guys. Let me put on my lashes. And I'll be right back. So we are done with the makeup. I'm just going to spray a little bit of this on my hair. I love this. This is from Odette, and this is the replenishing oil mist. It really does help to keep your units nice and fresh. And so the lashes are on, the ones that I found in my bathroom, on my bathroom floor. They are on my eyes today, and I'm just gonna say, guys, just ignore everything you saw in this video today, okay? This turned out to be a little bit more of a fun video for me, because number one, I have a friend visiting. Two, my lashes was on my bathroom floor, and I thought I was using a lip gloss. From Dalton Cosmetics, I was using a concealer. This is a concealer because at the same time I said, wait a minute, this lip gloss looks a little weird. But it worked, okay? It worked. Oh my God. Anyhow, I think I'm just going to leave it here for today, guys. I'm just going to leave it here for today. I think my friend needs attention, so I got to go. So I hope you guys had a little bit of fun in this video today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.